best. That one's not on. Washer dryer, the glass shield. Oh, that seal's a bit dirty. So I'll just leave the door open and that for it to air a bit. Drawer open. Wash. Series 49 cabbage Eco Science dry. The seals aren't looking too good. Samsung, newer one of mine. Tumble dryers. LG.
Anything you like?
I like most of them. And here all the tumble dryers. There's Bosch here.
What's that? Is that a washer?
Yeah, there's Bosch 10 kg anti-stain series 6. It's got stuff inside. Yeah, here's some vacuums. It's got Vax, Shark, the Pneumatic. Oh, just look at when 2020. They no longer have the high and low switches on. Because I buy.
The one you picked up yesterday, Wally.
Yeah, I think it was the 200 size tub I've got.
Oh, is that
yeah.
that one?
Yeah, that's the 160 one. It's the same size as that Hetty. I thought that was auto save with the green flower on. It's the stick version.
Yeah, look faces on there.
Oh yeah. And here are some Dysons. And some Miele's and Samsungs. I wouldn't mind getting a Miele. These are actually quite good. I don't know if you're allowed to turn these on. All these machines are just... Not sure if you can actually like use these for demonstration purposes.
No, these?
Yeah.
Are these battery operated or electric?
I think they're battery operated. The blue one's the pet. Also, I think with some of them you can use them for demonstrations.
Which is the one Mum's got? Is it that one?
It's none of those.
I don't mean colour, I mean...
Yeah, it's complete see-through.
That's what it's got?
Yeah. Nice. I would go for a Dyson. Samsung, yeah. Yuck. Candy Smart. So the Hot Point row. Here. Ooh, the Auto Dose. I don't know how you open the drawers on these things. This is a washer dryer, I think. Oh wait, it's an active care, but titanium drum. £9 kilograms. Oh yuck. UVH wash. I still remember the last time I came here, a dial came off. Beko, good brand. Indesit, really dirty. Not a good sounding brush motor, listen to this. Hasn't been used in ages. 8 kilograms. Next. I hate everything on this row apart from the 2 Bekos. Beko is a decent brand. You can take these out just by pressing that clip there. Samsung. A lot of these Samsungs are quite similar to the one that I own. Washer dryers there. That's just like dishwashers. What's this plugged in? Let's go on to some tumble jars. I won't be covering them all because I won't have enough time. But it's the Bosches there, Facts. Logic tumble jars, same as Dan's. If not the same, quite similar. Smiths, Bosch. Don't have the strength. Can't open the doors in there. The bad ones. Logic's are Indesit. I don't think that model is a Phyrus. Let me just check the filter. Oh, safer design this time because before it let fluff go down into the gunnels there and on the heating element. Then caused a fire risk and it was burning people's houses down. Just double check it. Oh, this is the one with the vent. It's really unlevel. It's another Indesit. That's the washer dry, is it? No. It's the plastic shield. It's the integrated ones. So, at what point are they on? No. Beko. Oh, that's freezers. There's another Beko there, and all those. Those are just ovens, and there's dishwashers there. But I'm gonna try and have a go at using one of the Dysons that they have. That just like gets the thing off. It's like a security tag on there. I'm not actually sure how you turn these things on. %. god, these are so cool. Dyson and Pneumatic are my two favourites. It's just epic. Anyway, I am going to end the video here now.